Ransomware is a type of malicious software that locks up your data or device and demands a ransom to release it. It can affect your data in several ways, depending on the type and severity of the attack. Here are some of the possible consequences of a ransomware infection. You may lose access to your important files, such as documents, photos, videos, or databases, until you pay the ransom. Some ransomware encrypts your files with a secret key that only the attackers know, making it impossible to recover them without paying. You may have your data stolen or leaked by the attackers, who may threaten to expose it publicly or sell it to other criminals unless you pay the ransom. This can compromise your privacy, reputation, or security, as well as violate data protection laws and regulations. You may have your device damaged or corrupted by the ransomware, rendering it unusable or unstable. Some ransomware deletes or overwrites your files, wipes your hard drive, or changes your system settings, making it difficult or impossible to restore your device to its normal state. You may incur financial losses due to the ransom payment, the cost of restoring your data or device, the loss of productivity or business opportunities, or the legal fees or fines associated with a data breach. The average cost of a ransomware attack, not including the ransom payment, was $4.62 million in 2021. You may face legal or regulatory consequences if your data breach affects other parties, such as customers, partners, suppliers, or authorities. You may be liable for damages, penalties, lawsuits, or audits if you fail to comply with data protection laws and regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union. Ransomware can affect any type of data or device, regardless of its size, location, or value. It can target individual users or organizations of any sector or industry. It can spread through various methods, such as phishing emails, software vulnerabilities, malicious websites, or removable media. It can demand any amount of money, usually in cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, which is difficult to trace or recover. Ransomware is one of the most prevalent and dangerous cyber threats today. It has grown exponentially in recent years due to several factors, such as the increased availability of ransomware-as-a-service solutions that allow anyone to launch an attack with minimal skills or resources, the increased use of double extortion and triple extortion tactics that add more pressure and leverage on the victims, and the increased adoption of cryptocurrency as an untraceable form of payment by the attackers. Ransomware is not only a technical problem but also a business and social problem. It can have devastating effects on your data security, privacy, reputation, and finances. It can disrupt your operations, services, and activities. It can harm your customers, partners, suppliers, and employees. It can undermine your trust and confidence in the digital world. That's why you need a reliable and robust solution to protect your data from ransomware attacks. That's why you need Scality ARTESCA Object Storage. Scality ARTESCA Object Storage is a simple, secure and scalable solution for modern applications that need fast and efficient access to data. It is a software-based product that can be deployed on any standard server or virtual machine, and it supports the AWS S3 API, the most widely used protocol for object storage. Object storage is a way of storing data as discrete units, called objects, that have a unique identifier and metadata. Unlike traditional file systems or block storage, object storage does not impose any hierarchy or structure on the data, making it more flexible and scalable. Object storage is ideal for storing large amounts of unstructured data, such as images, videos, documents, backups, and archives. Scality ARTESCA Object Storage has many features that make it stand out from other object storage solutions. Some of these features are: high performance. Scality ARTESCA Object Storage can deliver tens of GB/s throughput and ultra-low latency, thanks to its optimized S3 metadata database and its support for all-flash and hybrid flash/HDD servers. It can handle millions of concurrent requests and transactions with ease. Enterprise-grade, Scality ARTESCA Object Storage offers comprehensive data protection, security, and management capabilities. It uses dual-layer erasure coding to ensure high durability and availability of data, even in the case of multiple failures. It also supports replication and lifecycle management, as well as AWS IAM-compatible identity and access management. It provides ransomware protection, trusted authentication, access control and encryption for data at rest and in transit. Cloud-native, Scality ARTESCA object storage is designed to be deployed and orchestrated on integrated Kubernetes, the leading platform for containerized applications. It is lightweight and modular, allowing for easy installation, configuration and scaling. It also supports multiple Kubernetes distributions and bare metal servers, enabling portability and flexibility across different environments. Federated, Scality ARTESCA object storage features built-in federated data management that allows users to manage data across public and private clouds, as well as edge locations. It provides a single S3 namespace and an intuitive user interface for monitoring data, storage, platform and hardware. It also enables users to orchestrate workflows and search metadata across different data sources. Affordable, Scality ARTESCA object storage has a super low entry point pricing, making it accessible for small and medium businesses as well as large enterprises. It is free to use for up to 50 terabytes of data, with affordable support subscriptions for 1, 3, or 5 years. It also offers lower total cost of ownership than traditional storage solutions, thanks to its efficient use of resources and reduced complexity. Scality ARTESCA object storage is compatible with many leading application providers, such as Veeam, Zerto, Rubrik and more. It can be used for various use cases, such as backup and recovery, cloud-native applications, edge computing, big data analytics and more. Scality ARTESCA object storage is the object storage solution that modern applications demand. It delivers speed, scale, portability and efficiency without compromising on resiliency or affordability. It is the ultimate choice for data on the edge, core or cloud. How Scality ARTESCA object storage can protect your data from ransomware attacks by using encryption, immutability, and backup. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts your data and demands a ransom to restore it. It can cause serious damage to your business and reputation, as well as financial losses and legal risks. How can you prevent ransomware from compromising your data? One of the best solutions is to use Scality ARTESCA object storage, a cloud-native, high-performance, and secure storage platform that offers 3 key features to protect your data from ransomware attacks: encryption, immutability, and backup. Encryption is the process of transforming your data into an unreadable format that can only be decrypted with a secret key. Encryption protects your data from unauthorized access and tampering, even if it falls into the wrong hands. Scality ARTESCA object storage supports encryption at rest and in transit, meaning that your data is encrypted both when it is stored on the disk and when it is transferred over the network. This way, you can ensure that your data is always safe and secure. Immutability is the property of being unchangeable or unable to be modified. Immutability protects your data from being overwritten or deleted by ransomware or other malicious actors. Scality ARTESCA object storage supports object locking, a feature that allows you to set retention policies and legal holds on your data objects. This way, you can prevent any changes or deletions to your data for a specified period of time or indefinitely. This way, you can preserve your data integrity and recover it in case of a ransomware attack. Backup is the process of creating a copy of your data and storing it in a separate location. Backup protects your data from being lost or corrupted due to ransomware or other disasters. Scality ARTESCA object storage supports replication and versioning, features that allow you to create multiple copies and versions of your data objects across different locations and storage tiers. This way, you can ensure that you always have a backup of your data available for restoration and recovery. By using encryption, immutability, and backup, Scality ARTESCA object storage can protect your data from ransomware attacks and ensure its availability, durability, and security. With Scality ARTESCA object storage, you can enjoy the benefits of a cloud-native, high-performance, and secure storage platform that meets your business needs and challenges.